Hello, African family. Hope you guys are good. You should be rewarded for your truth and services. You're really saving people from scammers, especially African. Thank you so much for appreciating my work. And on this good occasion, I'm so happy. Let me give you another advice. Never ever ask any visa agent or a consultant or an advisor for a job while you're in Africa. Why? Because he's a visa agent, not a job agent. But he will say yes to you that he has a job for selling his visa. That's why when you're in Africa, you give him 4 to 5,000 dirhams for a visit visa, for a ticket, and for arranging your job, accommodation. But when you come here, there's no job, there's nothing. Why? Because you have asked the wrong person a wrong question. It is not a visa agent to give you a job. It's the human resource agencies, HR agencies, or workforce agencies who give you jobs or assist you in jobs. Because for us, visa agents or visa advisors, we can just give you visas, not jobs.